Hey guys, it's Stephanie with MarineMax St. Pete, and today we're going to talk about all things Boston Whaler. We're going to go through this 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk and show you why it is the best utilitarian boat. This boat is only 17 feet, but it packs so much into the 17 feet. So if you're looking for a boat for the family, this boat is rated for up to 7 people. You're looking for a boat for the family that you can cruise the intercoastal, you can hit the sandbars with, you can go to the restaurants with, and also just hose it down and stick it in the garage. This is it. So there's not a better riding 17-foot boat out there on the market. I personally have had one of these boats for about 5 years, loved it. So fits inside of a standard size garage. These boats do come on the single axle trailer that you're seeing behind me. It also has a swing tongue at the very front. So if you've got a garage that's at least 21 feet deep with a 7-foot opening, this is going to work beautifully for it. This one is in the Abaco blue gel coat with the silver graphics, and then it's got the chrome graphics here on the aft. It also has the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. Just a very clean looking boat overall. You've got the low profile railing package. So you've got low rails on the back and on the front. And then this one is equipped with the 115 Mercury. So this boat holds about 25 gallons of fuel and will run in the low to mid 40 mile an hour range. Let's take a look inside. All right guys, so this 17 Montauk is equipped with the fishing package. So you'll find some tackle storage here on the side of the helm. You've got some rod holders here along with your removable cooler and cushion. Cup holders are nice and kept down low. You've got a nice big sun pad here. You can take these cushions off and you've got access to 2 hatches here. So this one can be utilized as a fish box or a cooler or just storage in general. And the one up front, I typically use for anchor storage. You'll see your trolling motor panel up front with the 12-volt plug-in, and then access for your nav light. And as you can see, with the cushions gone, you have a really nice casting platform up here. So here aft, you're going to find your jump seats. These are very easy to take off and store. So you've got the 2 extra seats. You can also pop these right out. You can take the backrest out, and that'll double as rod storage. You also have access to your bilge pump, and then these are service access panels. You do have another one in here, and then you've got your fuel port along with your JL audio speakers. So here you've got a live well. So it's got LED lighting in it, you've got your aerator, and this is a 4-position helm seat. So you can face forward or aft. Nice big bimini on this boat, so whether you're kind of sitting at the cooler or you're sitting back here, you've got plenty of shade coverage. And then here on the side of the helm, you've got some blockable storage. Plenty of room for batteries. There's 2 batteries in there, and then there's a battery selector switch. Up here at the helm, you've got your Ritchie compass, your 9-inch Simrad. You've got some ports here to be able to charge your electronics with. And then you're switching for your accessories, your bilge, your nav lights, and your horn. JL audio panel. And of course your throttle. So if you guys have any questions about this boat or any of the other Boston Whalers we have here at MarineMax St. Pete, give us a call today. We'll talk to you soon.